Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we have developed an algorithm for the fast computation of DFT, and that algorithm was called as DIT FFT algorithm. So in this video, we shall take up few problems to find DFT using this DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, first we'll take up to find 4-point DFT. Later on, we'll take up for 8-point DFT. So the problem is to find DFT to find DFT using DIT FFT algorithm, and this is for 4-point. Okay, so and the sequence is x of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, flow graph of 4-point DIT FFT algorithm is, so let me write the flow graph of 4-point DIT FFT algorithm. So we'll be having 4 parallel lines. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Since it is decimation in time and the input is time, so this is in decimated order. And output is frequency domain, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and capital X of 3. So this is in normal order. Okay, for 4-point I'll be having 2 stage. So this is stage 1 and this will be stage 2. In stage 1, so butterfly is in between first and second line. So middle leg of the butterfly, lower middle leg, have to multiply with -1. Lower left leg, I have to multiply it with W4 power 0. And this butterfly repeats in between third and fourth line. So this is -1, this is W4 power 0. Okay, and the second stage, butterfly is in between first and third line. So here it is -1, here it is W4 power 0. And butterfly is between second and fourth line. So -1, this is W4 power 1. Okay, so where W4 power 0 is e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 0. This value is 1. And W4 power 1 is e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 1. This is equal to e power minus j pi by 2, and this is equal to cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2, which is equal to minus j. Solution, and the flow graph for 4-point DIT FFT algorithm is something like this. So input is time domain x of n and the output is frequency domain x of k. Okay, since it is decimation in time domain has to be in what order? Decimated order. Whereas frequency output, which is frequency domain, it has to be in normal order. Okay, and what do you mean by decimated order? It is nothing but bit reversed order, right? So for example, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, this is normal order. This corresponds to x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. And decimated order is nothing but bit reversed order. So 0 0 goes to 0 0, 0 1 it is 1 0, 1 0 it is 0 1, and 1 1 is 1 1. So this corresponds to x of 0, this corresponds to x of 1, this corresponds to x of 2, and this corresponds to x of 3. So the decimated order is something like this. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. This corresponds to, this sample is x of 0, this sample is x of 1, this sample is x of 2, and this sample is x of 3. So this is 0, x of 1 is 1, x of 2 is 2, x of 3 is 3. So first stage. So this is minus 1, this is W4 power 0 which is equal to 1, right? So what is W4 power 0? It is e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 0 which is equal to 1, right? So what do we have? The thing is, the basic butterfly diagram is something like this. So we will be having minus 1, this is generally it is W n power r, okay? So if the input is a and b, so output from here is this node is for adding and this arrow mark is for multiplying. So what do I have here is a coming here added with what? B scaled with by Wn power r. So Wn power r times b, right? And what do I have here? So I have a coming here and this is added with what? B scaled by Wn power r with minus 1. So I end up with minus of Wn power r times b. Okay, so this is the computation we do for a single butterfly. So and this computation will follow everywhere in the FFT algorithm. Okay, whatever the butterfly and wherever the butterfly is there, you just follow these rules. What do we have? I have 0 coming here and this is getting added with 2 times W4 power 0 which is 1, so which is 2. I have 2, right? And I have 0 coming here and it is subtracted with W4 power 2 times W4 power 0 which is 2, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, and minus 1, this is also W4 power 0 which is equal to 1, and I have 1 coming here and this is added with 3 times 1 which is 3 which is equal to 4. So I have 1 coming here which is subtracted with 3 times 1 which is 3 which is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is about the first stage. Now what about second stage? Second stage is, so I have minus 1, this is W4 power 0 which is equal to 1. So what do I have? I have 2, so these are the first stage output. I have 2 coming here and this is added with 1 times 4 which is equal to 6. So I have 2 coming here which is subtracted with 4 times 1 which is equal to 4 which is equal to minus 2. And the next butterfly is here. So minus 1, so this is minus j, this is W4 power 1 which is equal to minus j. So this W4 power 1 is what? E power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 1, this is equal to e power minus j pi by 2. So this is equal to minus j. Okay, that's why I put minus j here. So what do I have? I have minus 2 coming here, this minus 2 coming here, and this is added with what? W4 power 1 which is minus j times minus 2 which is plus 2j. And I have minus 2 coming here, this is added with what? I mean subtracted with minus 2 times minus j times minus 1. So minus minus minus, I end up with minus 2j. So these are the output. So therefore x of k, what we have here is x of 0 is 6, x of 1 is minus 2 plus 2j, and this is minus 2 and this is minus 2 minus 2j. So this is the 4-point DFT of the sequence 0 1 2 3. Fine. So we shall take one more example. Here x of n sequence is 4 3 2 1. So I have to find DFT of this sequence x of n, sequence x of n using so DITFFT algorithm. Okay, so solution, we shall write the flow graph. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. So input is in decimated order, output is in normal order, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. What is the value of x of 0? This is x of 0 which is 4. What is the value of x of 1? This is x of 1 which is 3. What is the value of x of 2? This is x of 2 which is 2. What is the value of x of 3? This is x of 3 which is 1. Okay, so first stage, first butterfly, so this is W4 power 0 which is 1. So 4 getting added with 2 which is equal to 6. 4 getting subtracted with 2 which is equal to minus 2. Minus 1, this is 1. 3 getting added with 1 which is equal to 4. 3 getting subtracted with 1 which is equal to 2. Okay, so these are the first stage output. Now second stage, I have minus 1, I have 1 here. So this corresponds to W4 power 0. So I have 6 getting added with 1 times 4 which is equal to 10. I have 6 getting subtracted with 1 by 1 times 4, which is equal to 2. And the next butterfly, so this corresponds to W4 power 1, which is minus j. So I have minus 2 getting added with 2 times minus j, which is equal to minus 2j. Okay, I have minus 2 coming here. So this is added with minus j and minus 1, which is equal to plus 2j. So this is the final output. So therefore I have x of k is equal to, so 10 minus 2 minus 2j, 2 minus 2 plus 2j. We will have a flow graph of 8.8 DIT FFT algorithm. So we will be having 8 parallel line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this is input x of n in decimated order, and this is the output x of k in normal order. So decimated order, x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6. First 4 corresponds to even number samples. And this is x of 1, x of 3, x of 5 and x of 7. So next 4 sample corresponds to odd. Okay, so this is normal order, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. So I'll be having 3 stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. First stage I'll be having 4 butterflies with similar patterns. So this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So W8 power 0, W8 power 0, W8 power 0, and this is W8 power 0. The second stage also will be having 4 butterflies. Okay, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is W8 power 0, this is W8 power 2. So multiply with minus 1 and W8 power 0. So same pattern repeats. Okay, so this is W8 power 2. And third stage, so this is W8 power 0, this is W8 power 1, this is W8 power 2, and this is W8 power 3. Okay, so this is the flow graph of 8.DIT FFT algorithm. So where so W8 power 0 value is 1, comma W8 power 1 value is e power minus j 2 pi by 8. This corresponds to cos 2 pi by 8 minus j sine 2 pi by 8. This is equal to, so 0.707 minus 0.707j. Okay, so and W8 power 2 is minus j, and W8 power 3 is minus 0.707 minus 0.707j. Okay, these are the values of the total factor. Now we'll take up one problem. Find DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 using DIT FFT algorithm. So solution, so x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6, x of 1, x of 3, x of 5, x of 7. So x of 0 is 0, 2, 4, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. Okay, so this corresponds to this sample. So first stage, first butterfly. So minus 1, this is W8 power 0, which is 1. So I have 0 coming here, added with 4, which is equal to 4. I have 0 coming here, subtracted with 4, which is equal to minus 4. 1 times 4, okay. So 1 times 4. So minus 1, 1. So I have 2 coming here, added with 1 times 6, which is 6, which is equal to 8. So I have 2 coming here, subtracted with 1 times 6, minus 6, which is equal to minus 4. Minus 1, 1. I have 1 coming here, added with 1 times 5, which is equal to 6. I have 1 coming here, added with 1 times, subtracted with 1 times 5, which is equal to minus 5, which is equal to minus 4. So minus 1, 1. I have 3 coming here, added with 1 times 7, which is equal to 10. I have 3 coming here, subtracted with 1 times 7, which is equal to minus 4. So first stage output are this. So this is about the first stage. Now second stage. So minus 1, this is W8 power 0, which is equal to 1, right? So I have 4 coming here, added with 1 times 8, which is equal to 12. So I have 4 coming here, subtracted with 1 times 8, which is equal to minus 4. So this is minus 1, and this is W8 power 1. The value of W8 power 1 is, sorry, this is W8 power 2, W8 power 2, and the value of W8 power 2 is minus j. Okay, so I have minus 4 coming here, so added with minus 4 times minus 4 times minus j, which is equal to plus 4j, right? I have minus 4 coming here, minus into plus, minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus of 4j. Okay, so and this butterfly pattern repeats here. So I have minus 1, this is 1. I have 6 coming here, added with 1 times 10, which is equal to 16. So I have 6 coming here, subtracted with 1 times 10, which is equal to minus 4. Minus 1, this is W8 power 2, which is equal to minus j. So I have minus 4 coming here, added with minus 4 times minus j, which is equal to plus 4j. So this is, I have minus 4 coming here, subtracted with minus 4j. And now the last stage. So I have minus 1 here, this is 1. So I have 12 coming here, added with 1 times 16, which is equal to 28. Okay, these are all the output I have. I have 12 coming here, so subtracted with 1 times 16, which is equal to minus 4. This is minus 1, this is W8 power 1, and W8 power 1 is 0.707 minus 0.707j, right? So this is equal to, and this value is what, minus 4 plus 4j coming here, right? This is added with 0.707 minus 0.707j times this times minus 4. Okay, if you do it, so we end up with minus 4 plus 9.656j. Fine, this is what we get for the result of this. Okay, and at this point, so I have minus 4 plus 4j coming here, and this is subtracted with so 0.707 minus 0.707j scaled by this is minus 4 plus 4j, right? This is minus 4 plus 4j, and this is also minus 4 plus 4j. So minus 4 plus 4j added with scaled version of minus 4 plus 4j. Okay, so this is coming here. So if you do this calculation, so you end up with minus 4 minus 1.656j. So next butterfly, so this is minus j, this is w8 power 2, which is equal to minus j. So I have minus 4 coming here, so this is added with minus j times minus 4, which is equal to plus 4j, and I have minus 4 coming here, which is subtracted with minus of 4j. So this is minus 4 minus 4j, and the final butterfly, so here it is minus 1, and this is minus 0.707 minus 0.707j. Okay, and output from here is I have minus 4 minus 4 minus 4j. This is added with scaled version of added with minus 0.707 minus 0.707j times minus 4 minus 4j. Okay, similarly the other end, minus 4 minus 4j is subtracted with minus 0.707 minus 0.707j times minus 4 minus 4j. Fine. So this value, if you put it in your calculator, I end up with minus 4 plus 1.656j, and this is equal to minus 4 minus 9.656j. Fine. So the ultimate answer, the final answer, what we get is x of k is equal to 28 minus 4 plus 9.656j, comma minus 4 plus 4j, comma minus 4 plus 1.656j, comma minus 4, comma minus 4 minus 1.656j, comma minus 4 minus j, comma minus 4 minus 9.656j. If you see, symmetry property verifies here. This is complex conjugate of this, this is complex conjugate of this, this is complex conjugate of this, this is real, and this is sum of all the time domain samples.